Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 658-658. We're opening two boxes of totally certified 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended May 26th at 8:59 p.m. And according to DiamondDate.com, it is currently 9 past 10 a.m. Wednesday, May 27th. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 190, 565, 559. Sorry about that. Do it again. There we go. Second box number is 190, 565, 560. We've got 5 cards per pack, 4 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. Bad for hits. First box, break number 658, totally certified. Four packs, 1 empty box. First pack. Couple of bases. We've got a rookie, Sean Monahan for Calgary. Matthew Dumba, Minnesota Wilds, a rookie jersey. And a base. Second pack. Sami Vatanen, a rookie for Ducks. Numbered card, 47 out of 100. Nathan Beaulieu from Montreal, rookie jersey. Ryan Callahan out of 100 for Rangers, parallel card. And Philip Grubauer, rookie for Washington. Social signatures, Eric Furr for Winnipeg, hard signed auto. P.A. Paranto for Colorado, game used patch out of 50. Was a nice pack. Danny DeKeyser, rookie for Detroit. Jack Campbell for Stars, rookie auto jersey. That's our first box. We'll clean up. Like it when it's clean and on screen. Second box. Just like to mention, we've got 6 box breaks ending tonight between 8 and 10:30 p.m. We got some Artifact 13-14, some Crown Royale, a empty box and 4 packs. We've got some totally certified Ultimate Collection, 12-13 certified. More appeal all the time. More than 16 boxes ending tonight. So first pack of our second box. Nathan MacKinnon, rookie for Colorado. And we've got a matchup between Footy for Colorado and Vandersbrook for Panthers. Just get the other base out. We'll sleeve this. So we're going to handle it a couple of times. Cards will be randomized between these two teams at the end of the break on random.org. For those unfamiliar with this procedure, all the information is available on my description page. Next pack. Bases. We got a rookie, Brian Lashoff for Detroit. Bo Bennett for Penguins, rookie jersey. Andrei Markov out of 50 for Montreal, parallel card. Mikhail Grigorenko for Sabres, rookie. Stéphane Matteau for Devils, rookie, signature card. Keith Primo for Hurricanes, game used patch out of 50. And a base. Last pack of our 2 box break. Peter Mazarek, rookie for Detroit. And we have, let me get the base out, we have a redemption card. Rookie autograph, mirror, platinum, red. Look, we got the Genghis Girgensson, 231. We'll still go to Panini checklist. I have it. Let me just do a little cleanup here. So clean it on screen. Get our hits. We'll do a recap later on. First, we've got the card to be randomized, and I've got a checklist here. Let me just get it out. Hockey. So our card. I just want to double check. So we're in Panini. I'm on the Panini checklist, by the way. I'm going to Totally Certified 1314. Now we gotta find a rookie. Rookie autograph, mirror platinum red jersey. Mirror auto platinum red. Yeah, that's the one. And we need card number 231. Yeah, it's there. Gergus Girgensson, Buffalo Sabres. This is the card. The Sabres just want a rookie autograph, mirror platinum red jersey. Okay, now our card to be randomized between Colorado and Florida. I'm already set up right here. So I'm random.org under the list randomizer. First on card is Colorado. Oh, sorry about that. Is Colorado, then Florida. Double check. First on card, Colorado Panthers. First on card in the back, Colorado Panthers. Here we go. Randomize once. We've got Florida on top twice. Florida on top and a third time. Colorado on top. You have randomized this list 3 times. Colorado wins double jersey card. Okay, now as promised, let's do a quick recap of our hits. First one is sleeves, so we'll put on the bottom. Sabres, Girgensson. We got a rookie for Detroit, nice patch for Hurricanes. Rookie auto, Devils. Rookie jersey for Penguins. We got a Nathan MacKinnon rookie for Colorado. Rookie auto jersey for Stars. Patch card for Colorado. Social signature for Winnipeg. Rookie jersey, Montreal. Rookie jersey, Wilds. And Sean Monahan rookie for Calgary. So that concludes our break number 658, 658. Be sure to check out our box breaks tonight between 8 and 10:30. My name is Jill. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.